said, I was nervous about the whole idea that everyone is a CA around me and everyone's so young actually. But I remember, Vijaya ma'am, not a one-on-one conversation in the group, without even probably knowing me that I'm a non-CA, she would mention, once in a while in her lectures, in her sessions, that even if it's even if you're non-CAs, and I remember most of the time she mentioned that non-CAs are able to perform better because they're not overconfident at some points. So I was initially, yes, but there was one thing I think which kept me going was my discipline and my determination. I was very much determined that I will clear this exam. It was, and I would not say that I was in that life condition throughout, but yes, I had my moments where I felt that I'm probably not doing enough. But I was very disciplined throughout, and I was determined that I will clear this paper. Having said that, there were issues down the line, but to begin with, I ensured that I channelize my timetable, my schedule with Vijaya ma'am's, so an Edu's schedule. So as I think others have also mentioned, so whenever there was I knew that okay, this is a subject, this is the standard which Vijaya ma'am will take on the weekend or a Saturday or a Sunday. There were 2 sessions, so I used to usually go for the Saturday one in the evening. So I used to prepare or at least read it through before joining the session on Saturday, and it really helped me. And I would really, this is my suggestion to the new upcomer, the people who are taking the exam, that please, I did not miss any single session by Vijaya ma'am. I attended all of them, and I prepared before going for the session, because I think I also felt that okay, I'm a non-CA, but honestly it doesn't matter. I don't know how many non-CAs are there in the current batch, but it really doesn't matter if you're non-CA, because the strategy, the way the classes are attempted or where the classes are done, it is not based on if you're a CA or if you're non-CA. And if you are really prepared your class, your subject in advance for that particular week, it really helps, because then you can ask questions in the class. As everyone have already mentioned, that Vijaya ma'am takes a lot of effort, and she comes up with the way she prepares the presentation of a particular standard. I mean, it's my experience that whenever I have come out of the class, there's always something that I have taken new, or it's a different way of looking at things. It's a different way of attempting the question. It's probably a key point or a key concept which probably I had missed, but there's something or the other I've always taken from that class. So definitely, and after the class every Saturday, after the class, used to take the quiz. So I have done my prelim studies. I have been through the quiz, I have been through the session in the class, and then I used to attempt for the quiz, mostly on a Saturday evening, late evening, or a Sunday morning, so that I know I'm clear with or thorough with the concepts. And if I'm not, because there are 3 to 4 attempts you can make for the quiz, even if you're not, then it's okay. As everyone said, it's absolutely fine. But I say, according to my experience, quizzes should be done at the early start, when you really start your preparation, because I didn't get time to do my quizzes later, in my preparation. So for example, 15, 20 days or a month, that time it was only revision, doing questions from the revision text and past papers. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Yes,
so it was only the past papers, and Vijaya ma'am had strictly told us, please don't touch your books now. Please don't touch, just do your revision kit questions and the past papers. And also, we were also given an opportunity, I think just a few weeks before the exam to, if we have any questions, to raise it to Vijaya ma'am through Edush, and she would make all the efforts to, answer each and every of your question. And also there was a session towards the end, I think just the last two weeks where she came up with beautiful questions, and I must say, Vijay ma'am, they were difficult for me in the sense they were like when I was in the IFRS 9 class, I was like, oh my god, I think like all my preparation is gone down the drain. But honestly, if you just pay more attention, and when I revised the questions and the concepts in the chapter, it actually was very smooth. So that all that is very important to keep in mind, the sessions that are there, because that's the only source of interaction with a tutor, with a teacher, the weekend. Because I will be honest, I had actually enrolled myself, registered myself for some other online classes, but I think I just attended one or two sessions and I didn't enjoy them. I didn't like them. It was not interesting for me. And that's when I got bumped into Manoj, because he was also helping that particular institute in the registration process. So I just casually had a chat with Manoj, and he told me about Edush, and I had not heard about Edush. I was like, well, I've already given money there, but I was like, it's okay. I mean, I really, as I said, I was determined to clear the exam. So I moved to Edush in between and just leaving those classes, because they were, I mean, the way the classes were held was just beyond me. I mean, I was not able to understand, and I was like, is it really not for me? But then when I joined Edush and did the learning from my own, I did all the studies of my own, and then weekend sessions with Vijaya ma'am. It actually is not easy. Sometimes it's all in our head. I remember when I took my mock exam, I was not able to complete the paper. So this was one challenge I faced, was not completing my paper on time. The CBE platform is very good. It's actually smooth. It's easy. And we've been grilled and rubbed in by Vijaya ma'am to do every day, to practice every day. And that's what I did for consolidation. I used to do a question every single day, and also descriptive questions sometimes. But I also remember towards the end, after checking our mock papers, there were on some few people who took the mock test. She mentioned that, I think you guys are, putting more time in the consolidation. You can stop that now and make sure that, you spend more time on the descriptive questions and make sure that you complete it on time. So for every question, I think it's for every minute, every 1 mark, it should be 1.8 minutes. That was what was told to us. And I struggled big time on that. And I passed my mock exam. I was not able to complete it in 3 hours, 15 minutes. Vijaya ma'am knows very well, but she was very, very supportive. She really, because I was like, I don't know what will happen. But she was very supportive. She said, whatever you have done, just submit your paper. I will check it and I'll give you a feedback. And that feedback really helps. So even if when I completed 3 questions out of 4, I cleared my mock exam. So that kind of gave me a confidence